Hello, welcome to a new explanation of Bas Hellendoorn. We're going to talk about chance today, so that you can win big in a casino. But don't forget, sorry, who taught you this, because when you go to the casino with the knowledge you got from me, so that you know it. To calculate chance, you have to use the formula number of good answers divided by number of total possibilities. Um, to make an abbreviation for it, to make it shorter, you can just say divide good by total. So the question is, you have two dices, and what's the chance that you throw 10? Well, you first have to look in how many ways you can throw 10. Well, let's see this. 1 and 1 is 2, 2 and 1 is 3. And now you're going to look at 10. Well, you see 10 over here, and over here. When you throw 6 and 4, 5 and 5, and 4 and 6. So 3 possibilities, and that means the number of good is 3. And how many in total do you have? Well, 6 options per dice, so 6 times 6 is 36. So you divide 3 by 36, and if you do put that in your calculator, you have 0.083. So that's how you calculate chance. Next one. Again, you have two dices, and well, 9. How to throw 9? Again, you're gonna look at how many options you have to throw 9. Well, that's 6 and 3, 5 and 4, 4 and 5, and 3 and 6. So that means 4 possibilities. 4 out of 36 is 0.11. Two dices, the chance that you throw 12. Well, I'm gonna try it. Well, it's not gonna work probably, because the chance is not that big. You only have one option to throw 12 out of 36, so the chance is really slim. It's 0.028. And you can also have a question when the question is not that you throw 7, but that you throw higher than 7. Well, higher than 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So now you have to look for how many possibilities are there. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 possibilities. So now good is 15, in total still 36. So well, you can make it shorter, or you just put it in your calculator. That's 0.417. Okay. And now we're gonna talk about spinners. This is a really difficult question, and the question is, in how many ways can you spin the same color? Okay. What you need to do then is look at the colors and look at how many possibilities you have. You see here, you have 2 times pink, so you have 2 possibilities to throw pink. Here is 1 possibility to spin pink, and here is also 1. So in total that's 2 possibilities to spin pink. Well, you can look at the other colors. You can look at orange. 1 option, 1 option, 1 option. So there's only 1 option to do orange. And then you also have this color. I don't know what color is, how it's called, but this is then your working. So this is pink, 2 times 1 times 1. This is orange, 1 times 1 times 1. And this is, I don't know, 1 option, 1 option, 1 option. So in total you have 4 options to spin the correct color. You can also ask it with only this one and only this one. You can do the same. Pink, 2 options and 1 option. Orange, 1 option and 1 option. This one, light blue, 1 option, 1 option, and darker blue, 1 option, 1 option. So in total you, oh sorry, the question was different colors. Man, I made a mistake, sorry. Different colors. So if you do pink over here, that's 2. You cannot spin pink over here. So that means you can spin this one, and this one. So you do 2 times 3. We're gonna look at this one, dark blue. You have one option to spin this one, and you can have to spin a different color over here. So you can't spin this one. So you can spin this one, and this one. Next one, green one. Well, if you spin this one, here is no green. So you have 4 possibilities to spin. Doesn't matter which one, because you can never spin green. If you spin orange for the first one, you can spin those 3 colors. So again, it's 1 times 3, and for the light blue color, it's also 1 times 3. Really difficult. In the book, you can make questions about it, and hope it's gonna get clearer. Last thing is frequencies. We're going to talk about relative frequency. That means that you have to divide frequency by total frequency. The question you have, you will get in the book and probably also on the test, is that you start with a table that looks like this, and it's about number of spectators in football. Feyenoord has 45,000, Sparta 4,000, Excelsior 1,000. That's the frequency. And if you have to calculate the total frequency, you just add them all up, and that is 50,000. Now the relative frequency, you calculate that by frequency, 45,000, divide by 50,000. Well, you put it in your calculator, answer is 0.9. And for Sparta you do the same, 4,000 divide by total frequency 50,000. And with Excelsior you do 2. If you see, if you add them, that's 1, and that means 100%, because that's everything. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you understand it, and thumbs up. Bye bye. Bye.